Welcome to this tutorial on Boolean indexing fundamentals. In this video, we'll learn how to filter arrays using Boolean masks. This is one of the most powerful features in NumPy that allows you to select specific elements from arrays based on conditions you define. Boolean indexing is a technique to select elements from an array based on conditions. It uses Boolean arrays, also called masks, which contain true or false values. When you apply a Boolean mask to an array, it returns only the elements where the mask is true. This gives you a powerful way to filter data based on any criteria you need. Let's see how to create a Boolean mask. First, we import NumPy as NP. Then we create an array containing the values 10, 25, 30, 45, and 50. Next, we create a mask by writing a condition, r greater than 30. When we print the mask, we get a Boolean array with false, 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 true, true. Notice that only the elements greater than 30, which are 45 and 50, have true values in the mask. Now let's apply the mask to filter our array. We use the same array and mask from before. To apply the mask, we simply write r with the mask inside square brackets. When we print the result, we get 45 and 50. These are the only elements where the mask was true. The Boolean mask acts like a filter, letting through only the values that meet our condition. There's a more convenient way to do Boolean indexing without creating a separate mask variable. Instead of creating the mask first, you can write the condition directly inside the square brackets. So r with r greater than 30 inside square brackets gives us the same result, 45 and 50. This is the most common way to use Boolean indexing because it's more concise and readable. You can combine multiple conditions using the ampersand operator for AND logic. Here we want elements that are both greater than 20 and less than 50. We write r with the first condition in parentheses, then ampersand, then the second condition in parentheses. The result is 25, 30, and 45. Notice that both conditions must be true for an element to be included. Also, it's important to wrap each condition in parentheses when using multiple conditions. For OR logic, use the pipe operator. This time we want elements that are either less than 20 or greater than 40. We write r with the first condition in parentheses, then pipe, then the second condition in parentheses. The result is 10, 45, and 50. With OR logic, an element only needs to satisfy one of the conditions to be included in the result. Again, remember to use parentheses around each condition. Let's review the key takeaways from this tutorial. Boolean masks are arrays of true and false values that act as filters. Use the ampersand operator for AND operations and the pipe operator for OR operations. Always wrap each condition in parentheses when combining multiple conditions. And finally, remember that Boolean indexing creates a filtered copy of the array, not a view. You now have the foundation to filter NumPy arrays effectively using Boolean indexing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.